Hello and happy December, all my Naturalista friends. I have been hanging on to this for a couple of weeks. I get so excited about this. This is the Young Living Once Upon a Farm Advent Calendar. And the Advent Calendar this year is called Once Upon a Farm, so it's themed around all of our worldwide farms. So every drawer or box, or what we'll see in a second what it is going to be centered around one of our farms. It says on the back, our family of farms began with one mission in mind: to build a better world together, one home at a time. This is why each of our corporate-owned and partner farms practice innovative sustainability, fair labor practices, and devotion to our seed-to-seal quality commitment to produce the purest botanicals possible. Our farms are the heart of all we do. Each one possesses its own unique story while sharing one commitment that unites them across 6 continents to create pure, potent oils and products that put people and planet first. Our farms enable us to discover, distill, and deliver the world's purest and most potent oils and products. The Once Upon a Farm collection takes you on a tour of our Young Living corporate-owned and partner farms around the globe. Each window showcases an essential oil, oil-infused product, or keepsake that represents the farm and its contribution to creating healthy homes and a healthy world. Our story begins at the first ever Young Living farm at St. Marie's, Idaho, and takes you around the globe and back to our global headquarters in Lehi, Utah, where our legacy continues to thrive. Nature distilled, life enhanced. So I'm super excited about this because I feel like we can never learn enough about our amazing farms. So let's see what we've got here on day 1. That's so amazing. Okay, chapter 1. Wow. So we have Kid Sense Genius, which is one of our favorite oils in this family. We have several bottles going at all times with learning help along with that. And this is this is the chain and one of the charms from one of the farms that will be opening along the way here. So this is the St. Marie's Lavender Farm. Featured blend is the Genius. Our legacy began in 1992 when founder D. Gary Young planted unhybridized seeds from Provence, France on the new 200 acres of land in St. Marie's, Idaho. This is where the modern essential oils movement took root. Oils like Melissa from this farm are used in signature blends like the Kid Sense Genius, and Melissa is a truly amazing oil for the brain and the emotions. It's one of the reasons we love this blend so much. Celebrate the legacy in the heart of Young Living December 1st to 25th with a journey through our global farms, honoring each with a unique pendant. Every day you'll collect a new keepsake embossed with a botanical symbol representing the powerful plants sent to you by our farms. And there's the little leaf right on that. So I know what I'll be wearing all December and adding to it as we go. One day at a time, charms and products. So that was day 1. Join us every day in December as we open a new chapter of wellness, purpose, abundance, and merry.